The UTS Mechanical Keyboard Society held the 2022 Sydney Mechanical Keyboard Meetup this year, and it did not disappoint with some of the wackiest or coolest boards I have ever seen. It's an amazing meetup to go to if you want to get inspiration for your next board or try out a switch that you're looking to purchase. This year there were some really cool boards that I was able to try, or even some boards from startup companies that I'm interested in getting in the future. I think the highlight for me from the keyboard meetup was the Flux keyboard. It's a keyboard that uses the Hall effect switches beneath a high resolution display, and above is an acrylic piece which sits on top of the screen using magnets, and acts as the keyboard's linear switches and keycaps. According to the representatives I talked to, you'll be able to set the actuation point in software, and what you put on display can also be modified in software as well. Furthermore, they are aiming for a Kickstarter launch soon, so if you're interested in possibly being a part of the launch or joining their mailing list to get more updates, it's just over at fluxkeyboards.com. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, I just found the design cool and wanted to share it. Also from the meetup was an opportunity to buy or win products. I bought myself this lovely leather pad from AE Boards for nearly half the price, and the Stabies Black Nylon Stabilizer Kit. I ended up winning this beautiful red custom KBD PCB and case kit from Custom KBD for getting the fastest lap time in the Scalextrics Time Attack competition, and I will definitely be doing a build with this soon. In addition, I managed to run into Thai Keyboards to help sign this board for me, so many thanks to Thai Keyboards for signing this. It means a lot to me, and I will definitely be building this into a nice keyboard.